Hi friends, right here in front of us is the all-new Chevrolet Sail sedan, the second of the 3 new cars to be launched in India by Chevrolet. One of the fastest growing segments in the Indian auto industry is the sedan segment. With the customer base increasing, Chevrolet is ready to mark its presence in this segment. Chevrolet Sail is built keeping in mind the aspirations of a sedan customer in India, who wants the best of everything in the vehicle he or she purchases. The bold front and rear profile and sporty interiors, superior ride comfort in the form of great cabin space and balanced suspension, unmatched safety provided by ABS, airbags and the safe cage design, power-packed performance in both the diesel and petrol engines with great fuel efficiency together put Chevrolet Sail a cut above the rest. So without any further delay, let us take a closer look at the all-new Chevrolet Sail sedan. The front follows a dynamic sculpture design philosophy, which gives an impression that the Chevrolet Sail is ready to pounce at the word go. The aggressive front also complements the character. The golden bow tie sitting on the Chevy signature dual-port grille forms the face of Chevrolet Sail and makes it a true Chevrolet. The Hawkwing halogen headlamps and shooting star fog lamps complement the grille and bow tie to complete the front profile of the car. The wide stance with 8-spoke 14-inch alloy wheels gives Sail a commanding presence on the road. The subtle wheel arches combine well with the bold side crease lines to give the vehicle an inspiring side profile. Body-colored outside mirrors that start from the LS variant give Sail an upmarket feel. Chevrolet Sail has undergone numerous global tests in safety. Now that lets us confidently claim that your safety is our priority. Chevrolet Sail is made of high-strength steel. It also comes with a safe cage design which disperses a maximum of 80% of the crash impact to the lower body of the car, ensuring complete safety of passengers inside the cabin. The side impact beams on all 4 doors, together with front and back anti-impact beams, ensure safety from all 4 sides. Unlike other cars, Sail's fuel tank is centrally mounted. This not only enhances safety in case of an impact from the sides, but also gives us some extra storage under the rear seat that can be really useful while going on long trips. Well, to ensure the safety of kids, rear doors come fitted with child locks. And to make the Sail further secure, the top 3 variants also comes with speed-sensitive auto door locks that automatically close once the car attains a speed of 10 km per hour. The first and the most important reason for buying a sedan is comfort. Sail has been designed keeping this in mind. While getting in, you realize that entry and exit in the Sail is an easy affair, thanks to the wide opening rear door. The first thing you notice when you sit inside the car is the legroom, which adds to the seating comfort in the rear. Rear seat armrest with cup holders that come standard in Sail ensures superior comfort and convenience for the passengers seated in the rear. Apart from this, the well-distributed storage spaces allow you to keep your belongings conveniently and safely. The aggressive front look is complemented by wide-angled rear tail lamps, which contribute to the Chevrolet Sail being noticed in the crowded sedan segment. The top variant of Sail comes with a rear defogger that takes care of your safety by allowing you a clear view of the traffic behind in bad weather conditions. Sail has an amazing boot space of 370 liters, which is one of the highest amongst competitors. This space is more than enough to carry 6 big suitcases. The low on height boot ensures that it is easy to put in and take out luggage from the car. The top variant of the Sail also comes with remote keyless entry for all 4 doors. The remote fuel and tailgate release further add to the convenience. The tilt steering allows you to adjust the steering as per your desired comfort. Here, you must request the customer to be seated in the car and you yourself should get seated on the co-driver's seat. If there is someone else accompanying the customer, request him or her to be seated in the rear. Get in and get seated on the driver's seat and you can feel how comfortable Chevrolet Sail is. While carrying forward style from the exteriors to the interior is the Rising Sun semi-digital instrument cluster, which again is unique to this segment. The coffee beige dual tone interiors not only give Sail a unique character but also add to the soothing theme of the interior. The Corvette inspired dual cockpit design makes Sail a true Chevy. Further adding to the style are the classy looking inside chrome door handles and the metallic painted center stack bezel and AC vents. Unlike most of the other cars in this segment, Sail comes fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel in 3 out of 4 variants, and the top variant also has a leather gear knob. The Horizon View dashboard gives a clear view of what is on the road ahead, and the A-pillar is ergonomically designed to ensure that the view of the driver is not obstructed. Driver side airbag starts from the LS variant, which usually only comes in the top variant of most of the other cars in this segment. The top variant, however, comes with dual airbags, which means double the safety. The top 2 models also come with ABS EBD, which means safety and peace of mind while driving at high speeds. What sets Sail apart from the other players in this segment is how comfortable the driver is while cruising in the Sail. One of the most important features that makes the drive of the Chevrolet Sail so pleasurable is the audio system. The top 2 variants of Sail come with an audio system that has an inbuilt radio, MP3 CD player, auxiliary input and USB socket that has 4 speakers. What is unique about this audio system is the FunWide Bluetooth phone pairing. In order to activate the FunWide Bluetooth, press the source button on the audio system. The display will initially show fail. Activate the Bluetooth on your phone and search for Chevrolet. Enter 0000 passcode if asked for. If the pairing is successful, the audio system shows connection OK for a few seconds. Making or receiving calls on the audio system is as easy as answering calls on your mobile. This unique feature allows the driver to make, receive and reject calls from the audio system itself.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Kapil Khanna from Chevrolet. Your car is ready for delivery.
And it also allows you to play music from your phone onto the audio system. For playing music, play any song on your mobile after the phone is connected to the audio system. The display shows BT music when playing songs from the phone's playlist. Yet another smart feature in the Sail is the door ajar warning that lets you know if any of the doors is open by blinking a sign on the instrument cluster. Unlike other cars in this segment, Sail's power window controls are on the center console. This allows the co-driver to take care of opening or closing windows without disturbing the person driving. Moreover, unlike some other cars in this segment, the front power windows and power steering come standard in Sail. Well, another important feature which is standard in the new Sail is the power adjustable outside mirrors. The power adjust allows you to set the ORVMs at the minutest of the angles, giving you great view of what you have already left behind. There are many intelligent storage spaces in the cockpit that can be utilized for keeping valuables safely and conveniently. And now, let's take a look at the most important part of a car, the engine. The all-new Sail comes with two engine options. The Smartech 1.2-litre 86 PS and 113 Nm DOHC petrol engine that has been designed by GM Global Center and delivers a mileage of 18.2 km per litre. On the other hand, the diesel engine is an award-winning engine that has been designed by GM and Fiat in collaboration. This Smartech 1.3-litre SDE diesel engine gives an amazing power of 78 PS and a torque of 205 Nm. Along with an incredible performance, the diesel engine of Sail also gives a stunning mileage of 22.1 km per litre. Sail's suspension system has been specially designed to provide supreme comfort while driving on the Indian roads that require a balanced suspension system. So what makes Sail a smart buy is the Chevrolet Sail 353 Advantage. Under the 353 Advantage, you get a warranty of 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers on the vehicle, 5 years or 1.5 lakh on the powertrain, and Chevrolet Promise ensures low cost of maintenance for 3 years. All this combined ensure peace of mind. And with this, friends, we come to the end of knowing the Sail in detail.